Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. And this time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for August. And this is the grand tour. We're going to take you around, show you all the cars that are out there, talk about some of them, talk about some of what they're neat about. Anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're out here at the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for August. And we're going to take you on the grand tour and show you what's out here. It's kind of a bit of a small gathering this time because, well, the weather's been unpredictable, to say the least, lately. So, we don't have much out here today.
Well, then again, also being a previous bike rider, rain is
Of course, we still got them showing up. We got a Corvette that just pulled in. This Camaro just pulled in too. And of course, we got them pulling out.
right around the corner.
We kind of got the usual suspects this month. Just, it's an off month, I guess. The heat and the rain and everything just throws everything off. So, that's going to wrap it up for this grand tour. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Yeah, I hit a bump.
It'd be funny if you like put this on or whatever and then you start doing a wheelie.
Yeah. Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for August. We didn't have a whole lot of cars out there this month, unfortunately. The weather just kind of, people didn't show up because it was kind of overcast and looked like it was going to rain. But we made do with what we had. We took video, we took pictures. We're going to take you guys along for the ride. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.